welcome back. Akahilz live on Binance Academy. Says, what is basic attention token? So we're doing a brief review of basic attention token. Digital advertising is broken. This premise is what basic attention token seeks to fix. So how exactly does this do it? Some of the perks. So it's powered by Brave browser and more. The introduction, designed by one of the web's top mind, Brenda H, creator of JavaScript and co-founder of Mozilla.org. Ethereum-based basic attention token tackles one of the web's biggest problems: advertising. So, BAT seeks to reward web users and content creators based on attention. Token is distributed to users based on their online activity and creators according to how well they capture their user attention. The advertising space can also be purchased with BAT, but how does this crypto work and how does the Brave browser fit in the picture? So looking at BAT is an ERC20 token that seeks to reward both users and advertisers. The users watch ads and get paid accordingly, while creators get rewarded for how much user attention they capture. The BAT is a way to monetize attention. What is sometimes referred to as the attention economy. So looking at how BAT's attention token works. So upon downloading the Brave browser, users can opt into Brave rewards. This is how they can earn BATs using a browser. The BAT transfers through Brave rewards are done using the Upload platform and more. So however, if you like to withdraw your earnings or deposit more than $1,000 to the platform, you need to provide KYC information. Looking at why the BAT token is important. BAT is designed to solve problems that online advertising has failed to address in recent times. So while websites are now designed to show well on mobile app, mobile the same can't always be set for ad servers, which can considerably slow down the browsing experience. So these are some of the utilities or cases which these token, which is to eliminate. So advertisers can purchase advertising space on Brave using BAT as opposed to USD. So much like Google, Facebook, and other ad platforms, they can view metrics such as views, clicks, conversions, and many other ads. So if you're interested in therefore, you can also use BAT as collateral and make a DAO to maintain the AI tokens. So looking at how to store BAT. So BAT is stored in the Upload wallet within the Brave browser. As of December 2020, this is the only place you can transfer your BAT earnings from Brave rewards. As I mentioned earlier, if you like to withdraw your earnings from Upload, you will need to provide KYC. There also can also be stored in plenty of places. These include exchanges such as Binance, other wallets, and Ledger, and more. So, on closing thoughts, BAT and Brave ecosystem aim to disrupt the digital advertising industry. They move towards a more transparent, blockchain-based advertising model, represents a win for users, creators, and even ad companies. This Brave a better way to do advertising on the web. Maybe that has a lot of room for growth if more people opt in to Brave rewards and more companies. So guys, that's all. Stay tuned for more. Peace out and thanks for watching, guys.